will go to the next part of the plant, that is the flower. Now flower is a part of the shoot system. Flower looks very attractive and it is attracted by the insects and birds as well. Okay, now flower is also the favorite of many people because of its color and fragrance. Fragrance means it is the scent or the good smell which people like. Like for example, jasmine flower or rose flower. Okay, next, this function of the flower is it helps to reproduce. That reproduce means it will give new plants again. Because how it will give into new plants? Because it is these flowers which will give rise to fruits. Okay, which will become fruits later. Yes. Now next we will go to the fruit. We will show you the okay students, before we start with the fruits, I would like to tell you one more thing about the flowers. Now plant stores their food in flowers as well. For example, cauliflower. Okay, cauliflower is a flower, but we eat them. Okay, so broccoli is another vegetable, but it is a flower which we eat. Next we will go to the fruits. Now fruits, as you all know, fruits are having seeds in them. We all like to eat fruits. Apple, banana, mango, yes, pineapple, all these are fruits. So different person have their different favorite fruits. Now fruits, if you eat, yes, you will find something inside them. That is known as the seed. Now most seeds we do not eat. Okay, but different fruits have got different quantity. That means different number of seeds inside them. Like for example, mango. Mango has got only one seed inside. And for example, watermelon. Watermelon, does it have one seed? No, it has got many seeds. Yes, and then what about apple? Apple has got either 3 seeds or 4 seeds or sometimes 2 seeds. Okay. Next we will come to the germination of a seed. Like you need to know how the seed will grow into a new plant. That is known as germination of a seed. Now the seed, to germinate or to grow into a new plant, it needs water. It needs water, air and sunlight. So the seed needs water, air and sunlight. If these things are available for the seed, then the seed can germinate, and if it gets a good soil, then it can grow into a new plant. That is known as germination of a seed. Okay, now as we all know that plants are very important. They give us fruits, vegetables, food, and also they give us oxygen. So we all should take care of the plants. Now how can we take care of plants? When we are growing plants, we should keep plants at a place where they get lot of sunlight, and we should water the plants regularly. Okay, when it is rainy season, there is no need to water the plants, but during summer there is no rain, so we should water the plants without forgetting. Then we should add manures and fertilizers in plants in every few weeks. Now what do you mean by manure? Manure means it is the waste of the animals. Like for example, cow dung, okay, which is known as gobri, that can be dried and added a little amount to the soil, so that the soil will become healthy, will get all the nutrients which the plant requires. Okay, then we should remove weeds from plants regularly. Now weeds means they are the extra plants which grow by themselves. So if these extra plants are growing in the soil, then what happens? The real plant which we need will not get the nutrients. All the other nutrients are taken by the weeds. So we should remove this from the plants. Okay, and also if there are dead leaves or the leaf is having some disease, we should remove those leaves regularly so that the disease will not spread to the other parts of the plant. Okay children, now we have covered many things in this lesson. Yes, I would like you all to do germination of seed in your house. Take some dry seeds like the bean seeds, okay, and soak it in water for overnight. Then take a piece of cotton, or you can sow the seeds in the soil and water it regularly. Then you can see that the root comes out first and then the shoot comes out. This shoot will grow upside and the root will grow down. Okay, then you can find a new plant growing. If you have sown a bean seed, then inshallah after 3 months or after 2 months you will find the beans on the plant. Okay, this will be your homework, germination of a seed. Thank you, Jazakallah.